Hello guys, my name is Mugisha Emmanuel and I welcome you again to this YouTube channel Mugi Craft. Today is a special day because it's the day of our first lesson. Yes, and in case you're new here, please consider subscribing to this channel because there are more lessons that we are going to be learning. So today we are going to learn how to make a key holder. So yeah, since I moved with a simple sample with it, so this is the key holder we are going to be learning today. Yes, and remember, in case you're new here, consider subscribing. Please subscribe because we have amazing stuff that we are going to be learning, and I'll be the one taking you through all that. So let's dive in. Let's go to action and we learn how to make a key holder. Thank you. So these are the materials to be used. We have our diamond beads here. This is sky blue. You can see how they're shining. Yes, and we have red, the red color. Yes, these are also diamond beads. Yes, and we have our string. This is our string, 0.70 millimeters long. Yes, so you can just chop a little bit of it and you get this size necessary to be used. Yes, so and we have our cutter. Yeah, our cutter is used to chop off the unwanted part of the string. Yes, so those are the things necessary. And at the end we shall include our key. Yes, the key metal is whereby it holds the key. Yeah, so this is it. So I think let's begin now. So collect some of the beads, put aside. The two different colors, of course. The two different colors. Yes, you can add more of sky blue. Yes, so you get your string, your cut string. Yes, so get your string. So the first thing to do is to consider 4 beads. Yes, consider 4 beads. These are 2, 3, 4. So you first put the first one. Yes, you put the second one. Yes, you put the third one. Then the fourth one, you cross over the string through in it, in between. Cross over the string. See? Yes, you cross over the string. Then you pull it. Yes, see, you pull it, and when you pull, make sure the string is on the same level, both sides. Yes, both sides on the same level. Yeah, so after doing this, you repeat the same process 2 times. So you get one string. Now you see here we have 2 sides now. Yes, since we have 2 sides, we have to make sure there are 4 beads like this first process we made here. Yes, so we are going to put the first bead on the left and the other bead on the right side. Yes, so the 4th bead you tie with it. You pull the 2 sides of the string. Yeah, make sure you pull. Yes, so you can see how it is now. You can see. Yes, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, so when it comes to here, so you have to get one side of the string, one side, either the left or the right, that has to join the other. So either this is going to join the other string or this string comes joining the other string. So what do I mean? So that means that we are going to, I prefer using this right side. Yes, so I'm going to use this right side string, goes into the other bead, and then it goes up. It goes up. Hope you're seeing. So it goes up. You see? It goes up. Then you cross over into the bead, the upper bead. Yes, both strings, even this, the same. Even this, the same. Cross over there. Yeah. So this is how it is now. See? Yes, so this is how it is. So I'm taking you slowly so that you can be able to understand the things, because I know it's usually difficult for beginners. Yes, but with time you'll be understanding. So this is it. So we're on this level. So that means we are going to create the same process, this upper level, to create two lines of the same kind. So that means we are going to be able, remember we are considering 4 beads. So that means here we already have 1. That means we're remaining with 3 beads to make 4. Yes, to cover up. So that means we are going to be using, so you include 1. You use one side of the string. You use one side of the string. So put 1, 2. You see? So these are already 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Third one here, which is held here inside the string. So the 4th one, come with it, and you cross over the 2 strings over. Yes, so you pull. Yes, you pull. Yes, you pull. Pull. Yes, so that's how it is now. So after pulling, you get the string, you put into the next bead. Put into the next bead. It goes into the next bead. You pull. Yeah. So after pulling this seat, so it's remaining only one process, then we finish. So this is, you get 2 beads. Remember here there are already 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, where the string is crossing, is passing through. 1, 2. So we need 2 more beads to make 4. So put 1. You use the upper string. Use the upper string. Yes, put 1. Then the second one you tie with it. Make sure you always tie with the last bead. Yes, so the last one you tie with it. Last one you tie with it. Yes. So this seat becomes flat like this. Comes flat like this. Yeah. So these are 2 lines already. 1, 2. So these are 2 lines already. Yes. So what's remaining now is to create the sides. We are going now to create the sides now. The side part of it. Yes. So creating the sides, remember. Yes. So we are going on the sides. Yes. Remember the side we had a different color, which was red. Yes. So how are we going to design that red in it? This is how we are going to design it. So the first bead, you have to put red. Remember we are considering 4 beads. Yes, these are already 2. Yes, this is red. Then put sky blue. Then you put another red. You tie with it. Like this. Yes. So then you get the other string. You tie with it. Tie with it. The string you tie with it. Like this. After tying, you put the string into the next bead like this, so you get something like this. So don't worry, with as we are going, the shape will be formed. Yes, so you do the same process. You get, so here we are going to use 2 beads. Yes, since there are already 2 here, the red and the sky blue. So here we're going to add more 2 beads to make them 4. Yes, so here we're going to use one sky blue in it, and the red, then we tie with the red. Yes, so here we're going to tie with this red. So then we tie with the red. So don't worry about the string, sometimes they disturb. Yeah, but as long as you're doing the same process, right? Yes, so we tie with the red. So after tying with the red, the lower string is the string that goes into the next bead. Yes, the lower string goes into the next bead. Yes, after putting it into the next bead, so you consider the same process, right? Consider the same process. the sides. So we are almost finishing the side. Yes, so as we are concluding the last side, you do the same process. Yes, you put the sky blue, then you get the second string, you tie with the red diamond bead. Yes, red. So you can get the other string, you tie with it. So pass through the bead, and then you pull. Yes, so remember here we have reached at the last point, whereby they have to be joined. So you use the same process. You get this downer side string, pass through the bead. Then here what you do, you put it upward. You go upward, upper bead. Yes, so this is it. So now here we have to make sure we close here this missing part here with the sky blue bead. Yes, so I'm going to get this through the other string. Yes, then you tie with it. So this is it. So this is the format. So the only thing missing here now is to cover up this upper part to be like this side. You see? Yes. So what do you do here? So what you do, you get this side of the string, the right side. Yes, you set it into the next bead. You know, set it into the next bead. Yes, into the next bead. Just like this. Yeah. So this is the shape. So into the next bead like this. Yes. So what you do here now, you are trying to cover up this missing part here. Yes. So what you do here, after putting this string into the next bead, now here we're going to take two beads of the same color, the sky blue. Yes. Put this. Yes. Then the other one, the second one, you tie with it. Yes. So this is it. So you tie with it like this. Yes. So this is it. You can even carry it if you want. So this is it. So you get this downer string still. Put it into the next one. Yes. Put it into the next one. Yeah. Then you again put it into the next bead following the other one. It's like this. Yes. So here, when you reach this level, you don't need to use two beads again. Yeah, you need to use one to make this four beads arranging themselves like this. So here we already have three of them being held by these two strings. So that means that we only need one bead to cover up here to make four, you know. Yes, so we are going to get one bead like this, then we tie with it immediately. Yes, so get the two strings, you tie with it immediately like this. Yes, tie with it immediately. Yes, so what you do now, get, after tying it like that, get this downer string still. Yes, you put it to the next bead. Yes, then again you put it to the following bead like this. Yes, so here again we're only missing one bead here to make them four. You see? Yes, so what we do here, just include one bead, cover up the space. Yes, like this. Put one bead like this. Yes, like this. So you see, the place has been covered up. So it's the same way down here, same way up here. So that means that, so here we only need to tie the string up, so that we strengthen the beads, you know, so they don't lose themselves. So what we do here, you put the strings into the next bead. Yeah, going forward. Yeah, like this. Even the other string, the other side, like that. Yes. So what we do here, we join them on this. We join them through this bead, this one bead here. Yeah. So we join them like this. Yeah. So this is a form of tying them so that you strengthen the beads. Yeah. Like this. Like that. Yeah. So pull them. You make sure you be pulling so that it strengthens the beads. Yes. So the next you pass through the beads, make the strings pass through the beads like that. Yes, so you can reach here, you can reach here, you can tie. Like you make them pass through the beads like this. Yes. So don't worry and don't get angry because of the strings. The strings really disturb, but as long as you know what you're doing, it's worth it. Yes, so that's it. So whenever you feel like the string, like the beads are still loose, yeah, you again tie. Yeah, you again tie. Yes, like 3 times like that. Yeah. So you go on tying like that. See? So this one can go inside here. Yes, so you again tie like that. Yes, so after making sure the beads are strengthened, so yes, so here we are going to bring in the cutter now. So cutter, yes, so this is very nice because in this is it hold, of course, so you need to enable you cut the unwanted string, yeah, from the deep root. So this is it, cut the unwanted string, yeah, so this is it. So we've cut the unwanted strings. Yeah, we have cut the unwanted strings. So here, what's remaining now is now to include the metal that joins the keys to these key holders. So the metal is here. It's the metal. Yes. So how would you do it to join it, to put it into the beads? So what you do is first loosen it. Yes, like this, so it can be able to enter into the bead. That. So you look for the bead inside of your choice. Yes, like that. So it goes through it. Yeah. Yeah. So that's it. So at the end of the day, you have your key holder. So here you can put as many keys as possible. Yes. So at the end of the day, after putting your keys, you will have something like this. See? So these are my keys. So beautiful, right? So you can use the same key holder on your car keys. You can use the same on your home doors, on your office doors. So it can really work and makes a real beautiful look at the place around you. Yo, so that's it. This is the key holder we've made today. So stay tuned in and please don't forget to subscribe for more and more amazing lessons like this one. Yes guys, so hope you've enjoyed today's lesson, and in case you wish to learn anything concerning beaded key holders, so let me know in your comments. So please comment, and don't forget to subscribe for the next amazing lesson like this one. So see you next time. Ciao ciao.